All right then. So now what we are going to do is, before jumping into the UI parts, now we need to go ahead and integrate the Clerk authentication. So basically the Clerk, it provides you different authentication and works seamlessly with the Next application. So I'm going to use the get into the clerk.com. So click it, because the user whoever wants to analyze the image, they need to authenticate themselves and to create an account with ourselves. Then only they can create an account in our website, right? So in order to do that, all they have to do is to click get started. Please sign in with your account. Click get started. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to click get started. Why it's asking me to sign in again? Okay, so let me sign in with my Gmail. All right, so once you signed in, it will not look like this, because it is, if you're using it for very first time, it is going to ask you to create an application. So in this case, I do have a lot of applications over here. In this case, I'm just going to create an application, and I'm going to use this as AI Gemini AI image analyzer, something like this. That's the name that I'm going to use for it. And you can go with email authentication, which is default that you can choose. And if you wish to authenticate yourself by using GitHub or Facebook, you can choose what are the authentication that you're willing to. So in this case, I'm going to keep it with Google and the GitHub itself, nothing else. Then I can click create application. Basically that's a default document, which is that's a default um, yeah, that's a default component created by the Clerk itself. So all we have to do is to go ahead and install and follow this configuration setup in order to use the Clerk in our application, right? So this is what we are going to do next.